Hey everyone, this is the AI Mind Machine here to give you some real-time updates on artificial intelligence, so listen up. The future is coming whether we're ready or not. One of the most powerful tools we have is artificial intelligence. AI is already part of our lives, from streaming recommendations to diagnosing diseases. In this video, we'll explore 10 predictions that will reshape our future. So buckle up and let's get started. First up, let's talk about health. Imagine a world where your doctor knows you're going to get sick before you show any symptoms. With AI, this could become a reality. AI can analyze massive datasets to create personalized treatment plans. Early diagnosis of diseases like cancer and Alzheimer's will become far more accurate. This isn't just about treating diseases, it's about preventing them. AI can help make healthcare more accessible, bringing specialized knowledge to remote areas. Now, let's shift gears to transportation. Imagine a world where you no longer need to drive yourself to work, where your car can drop you off and park itself. This is not science fiction, it's becoming a reality. The future of transportation is about to get a whole lot more autonomous. Picture a city where every vehicle on the road is self-driving, communicating with each other to avoid accidents and optimize traffic flow. Think self-driving trucks, delivery drones, even autonomous ships. These technologies are not just for personal use, they are revolutionizing industries like logistics and shipping. One of the biggest promises of autonomous vehicles is safety. Advanced AI systems can detect obstacles and react in milliseconds, far quicker than any human could. AI can react faster and make better decisions than human drivers, reducing accidents. Imagine a world where car crashes are a rarity, not a daily occurrence. Imagine logistics and transportation without rest stops or driver fatigue. Autonomous vehicles can operate 24/7, making supply chains more efficient and reliable. Traffic jams could become a distant memory as AI optimizes traffic flow. Smart traffic lights and AI-driven traffic management systems can ensure smoother commutes and less congestion. The future of transportation is looking increasingly autonomous. As these technologies continue to develop, we can look forward to a safer, more efficient, and more convenient way to travel. Now let's talk about the future of learning. Imagine education as a personalized journey tailored to each student's needs. AI-powered platforms can track progress and adapt the curriculum in real time. Textbooks can adjust their difficulty level, and virtual tutors can provide support. AI can create immersive and interactive learning experiences. AI can help make education more accessible to everyone. The possibilities are truly limitless. Now let's address the impact of AI on jobs. The rise of artificial intelligence and automation is transforming industries at an unprecedented pace. From manufacturing floors to office environments, machines are taking over repetitive and mundane tasks, allowing humans to focus on more complex and creative endeavors. Automation is changing the job market. While some fear job losses, it's important to recognize the potential for new opportunities. Automated systems can handle tasks that are dangerous or monotonous, freeing up human workers to engage in roles that require critical thinking and emotional intelligence. Instead of fearing these changes, we need to embrace them. By adapting to new technologies, we can create a more efficient and innovative workforce. This shift requires a proactive approach to education and training, ensuring that employees are equipped with the skills needed for the jobs of the future. One concept gaining traction is Universal Basic Income, or UBI. UBI proposes that all citizens receive a regular, unconditional sum of money from the government, regardless of employment status. This financial support can act as a buffer during times of economic transition. As automation replaces jobs, governments could provide a safety net. This would not only alleviate financial stress but also encourage individuals to explore new career paths and opportunities. With a guaranteed income, people might be more willing to take risks, start businesses, or invest in their education. This would give people the freedom to pursue education or entrepreneurial ventures. Imagine a world where financial constraints don't limit one's potential. UBI could empower individuals to follow their passions and contribute to society in meaningful ways. We need to equip people with skills to thrive in an AI-driven world. Investing in education and vocational training is crucial. Programs like coding boot camps and technical schools can provide the necessary tools for individuals to succeed in a rapidly evolving job market. The future of work is about humans and machines working together. By fostering collaboration between technology and human ingenuity, we can build a future where both coexist harmoniously, driving progress and innovation. Now let's talk about creativity. AI is entering the creative arena, bringing new possibilities. AI algorithms can analyze data to generate new ideas. AI is being used to create original music, art, and literature. AI isn't here to replace human creativity, it's here to enhance it. The future of creativity is about humans and machines working together. Now let's address the ethical considerations of AI. As artificial intelligence continues to evolve and become more sophisticated, it is crucial to establish a framework that ensures its development and deployment are aligned with our ethical values and societal norms. As AI becomes more integrated into our lives, we need clear ethical guidelines. These guidelines should cover various aspects, from how AI systems are designed and trained to how they are implemented and monitored in real-world scenarios. One of the biggest concerns is AI bias. Bias in AI can lead to unfair treatment and discrimination, perpetuating existing inequalities in society. It is essential to develop methods to identify, mitigate, and prevent bias in AI systems. AI systems must be fair, unbiased, and equitable for everyone. This means ensuring that AI technologies are accessible and beneficial to all segments of the population, regardless of their background or circumstances. Data privacy is another important consideration. With the vast amounts of data being collected and processed by AI systems, it is vital to protect individuals' privacy and ensure that their personal information is not misused or exploited. We need to ensure data is collected and used responsibly. This involves implementing robust data governance practices, including data anonymization, secure storage, and transparent data usage policies. And then there's the question of accountability. Who is responsible when an AI system makes a mistake or causes harm? Establishing clear lines of accountability is essential to ensure that AI technologies are used ethically and responsibly. These are complex questions we need to answer as AI becomes more integrated into our lives. By addressing these ethical considerations, we can harness the power of AI to create a better, more equitable future for everyone. Alright, let's go back to the workplace. The future of work is about humans and machines working together. AI assistants can handle tedious tasks, freeing up humans for creative problem solving. In healthcare, AI can help doctors diagnose diseases. In finance, AI can analyze market trends. The possibilities are endless, and AI is here to augment our abilities. Time to get a little philosophical. Can AI ever truly understand and respond to human emotions? Researchers are developing AI systems that can recognize facial expressions and interpret tone of voice. Imagine AI-powered customer service agents that can sense frustration and respond with empathy. Emotional AI has the potential to make our interactions with technology more natural and intuitive. Fasten your seatbelts, we're entering the realm of quantum computing. Quantum computers have the potential to revolutionize AI. Think of traditional computers as bicycles and quantum computers as spaceships. Quantum AI can tackle complex problems like drug discovery. Quantum AI can tackle complex problems like climate change. Quantum computing will be a game changer for AI. Finally, let's explore AI in space exploration. AI is poised to become an indispensable tool for unraveling the mysteries of the cosmos. Imagine AI-powered robots exploring Mars and analyzing data from distant galaxies. AI will enable longer and more ambitious space missions. As we venture further into the cosmos, AI will be our guide and partner in discovery. So there you have it, 10 mind-blowing AI predictions for the future. AI is poised to reshape our world in profound ways. We need to ensure that AI is used for good. The future is unwritten, and the choices we make today will determine the course of AI. I believe AI has the potential to create a brighter future for everyone.